So we've come to the end of this birthday surprise for Pema, and she was able to make a beautiful silver ring with Mr. Jerry Hochberg from his workshop here.
This is the ring. Thank you so much,
You're welcome.
Jerry, for all the details,
I hope
and I
you
loved
enjoy
the
it.
experience.
Yeah, this is an ancient experience.
Yeah, I know. I
Think
love
of Lord
it
of
so
the
much.
Rings.
Yeah,
Oh.
I know.
So that's why
Yes.
it's called the Ring of Love, because
Right.
it's a ring of labor. She's put in so many hours, and Jerry's been a very good teacher at being patient and helping it. But she was an excellent student, right, Jerry? What do you
She's
think?
smart.
She learned it very quick.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
no, she's very
Yes.
quick to understand all the procedures and techniques that are involved. But it's a lovely process, isn't it?
Yes.
And it's historical because this goes back to 4,000 years to the Egyptians, you know.
And she's engraved her name and the year. And this is going to be a beautiful memory we share as friends who celebrated birthdays together for a very long time.
And you
So this
learned
is
about
going to
this
be
metal.
Yes,
How
yes,
special
how
it is,
special
right?
it is. Yes, it's lovely. So once again, thank you so much, Jerry. Had a lovely experience. I hope more and more people can learn from you
That's great.
this
Thank you.
this ancient art.
Thanks.
And thank you so much, Upashna. Too much love. And Mithya, okay, for this experience. Thank you for thinking about me in such a special way. And this is an experience that I'm never going to